In this video, I'm excited to walk you through the process of removing age restrictions on YouTube. If you find this guide helpful, be sure to hit the subscribe button and give our video a thumbs up. Your support would motivate us to make ourselves better. People might want to remove age restrictions on YouTube to ensure broader access to content, promote freedom of information, and avoid limiting viewership based on age alone. So, let's dive right in. Firstly, ensure you have the YouTube app installed on your device and open it. Look for the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. It's typically represented by your profile picture or a generic icon. Tap on it to access your account settings. Next, in the top right corner of the screen, you'll see a gear icon. Tap on this icon to open the Settings menu. This menu is where you can adjust various preferences related to your YouTube account. Now, scroll down through the settings options until you find General. Tap on General to expand its settings. Here, you'll find an option called Restricted Mode. This feature is designed to filter out potentially mature content from search results, recommendations, and the homepage feed. To ensure age restrictions are disabled, make sure the toggle next to Restricted Mode is switched off. If the toggle shows blue or enabled, simply tap it to turn it off. It's important to note that the availability and exact location of these settings may vary slightly depending on the version of the YouTube app and the operating system of your device. Additionally, the settings may be influenced by your Google account preferences, so it's a good idea to verify your age information in your Google account settings to ensure accurate content filtering. By following these steps, you should successfully remove any age restrictions that may have been applied to your YouTube experience. If you face any issues, or if the process differs slightly on your device, checking the latest YouTube help documentation or contacting YouTube support can provide additional assistance. I hope this tutorial has been informative and helpful in navigating the settings of the YouTube app. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. In addition to that, check out my website, MediaMagnetGuide.com. You'll find lots of helpful tutorials and resources on many different topics.